First, we need a Q-box processor. Next, we need a IR sensor to detect a hand. Next, we need a DC water pump for water supply. Next, we need some jumper wires for connection. Next, we need a 5V DC adapter for power supply. First, take the Q-box processor. Connect a jumper wire from the A2 to a positive pin in the center of the board. Next, take 3 jumper wires. Connect one of them in A1 and another 2 in ground and VCC. Next, take the IR sensor. Connect the A2 to out, GND to GND and VCC to VCC. Next, take another 2 jumper wires, connect one in MA1 and another one in MA2. Next, take the DC water pump. Now, take a jumper from MA1 and connect it with the positive terminal. Next, take the wire from MA2 and connect it with the negative pin of the motor. Now we will see the circuit diagram. This is the circuit diagram.